Welcome back to another video of the Minecraft Guide, Episode 2. Today, I will be talking about what you need to do when you survived your second day. If you hadn't subscribed to my channel, please turn that subscribe button gray and smash that like button. Also, if you hadn't watched my first episode, please watch it. So after you get all your resources and actually survived your first day, you need to kill any mobs you can see. I would suggest you kill sheep for their wool, cows for their meat, and kill zombies for XP. You can if you want take 2 animals and save it near your house for later uses like breeding, but that is optional because that is early to mid-game. You should definitely try to cut more trees to get more saplings. Make your base a little bigger, preferably a second floor or a basement. You should also make a storage room made out of chest because that is definitely useful for mid-game and late game. I prefer you build a house with a size of around 6 by 6 with a small square on the side to look special. You can make 2 columns of storage outside your buildings, that would look amazing. If you had built your house near a stream of water and near a forest, that would be the best, but could definitely build anywhere else. You can start and mine more coal to make torches and mine iron to make iron tools. You should make a bed immediately and sleep in it when it is night time. I can give you a little description of the Minecraft bed. It is a bed that can make your spawn point on your bed. So when you die anywhere, you spawn in your bed rather than the world spawn point. Be warned to not destroy the bed unless needed, because that way your spawn point will be destroyed and your spawn will be in the original place. The Minecraft bed is very useful since you can sleep in it when the sun is setting to escape any mobs and wake up into the next day. Also, if you don't sleep for more than 3 days, phantoms will start to spawn and they are extremely deadly. If you liked my video, please smash that like button down below and turn that subscribe button gray. Comment down below what video I shall do next. Stay tuned for the next episode.